think he's from Crandon Music Festival. But, I'm not there tonight because it was the classical one. I was there last night. But, stop recording it for a second for some reason. Oh! I hope I didn't drop my camera. Oh my god. Not in shot there. Oh, they're pretty. There we go. You can see a bit better. Whoa. Oh, you can always count on Cranley to have nice fireworks. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but that's the Furies album playing that I got yesterday. But yeah, I just saw this happening and thought, let's share it. Here you go, world, have some fireworks. I just failed at saying fireworks. I think they're done. They're done? Can't tell. Maybe they're just lower. Oh, the fireworks are back. I love fireworks. I'm looking forward to bonfire night this year. I've been going with my friends the past couple of years and it's been pretty good. Maybe this year I'll have some new friends. What with college and all. That would be cool. But kind of weird thinking that way. It's like, I haven't really thought what it would be like at college, to be honest. I mean, I thought about the lessons part, but making friends, I don't know if I remember how to do that. Which sounds kind of stupid, but I haven't had to in 5 years. And, I don't know. I hope I'll find some more. I'm sure I will, but, you know. I'm kind of talking to the camera like a diary at the moment. I feel kind of stupid and normal at the same time. I am looking forward to making new friends, because I don't want to lose my old friends, you know? Does that happen at college, do you think? I wonder if anyone watches This Has Been and would know about it. I just wish that things in life could always stay the same as well as changing. I think the fireworks have gone now, but I may as well wait here for a minute just to check. The battery just died in my camera, so I had to go change it. I think they stopped while I was gone. Oh well. So anyway, anyone out there watching me, or not watching me at the moment, it's all dark, but anyone out there watching me, excuse my dog barking if you can hear that. Anyone out there watching me who's been to college and who knows all about it, is it easy to make friends? Is it how you thought it would be? And to anyone who's taking chemistry, how bad is it? Because, like, I'm really nervous about chemistry. It doesn't look like there are going to be any more fireworks. Oh! Just as I say that. Yeah, I'm really worried about chemistry. I don't want to worry too much, but at school, my chemistry teacher left halfway through year 11, and she was really good at teaching chemistry, but then we have this other teacher who isn't so good. And she just confused me a lot, and so I don't think I'm as confident as I was with chemistry. So that's what's kind of made me nervous. I'm just hoping I can get through it. Like, at enrollment day, it was better because, wow, the people just seemed so friendly and able to help, and so confident about their students getting good grades. I just hope that I do. I think that's all the fireworks we're gonna get. So bye bye outside. Bye guys. I love you.